Dear students, there are some sentences on your screen. First is, he is fond of tea. Second is, the girl drank a glass of juice. Third is, we all wish to live a happy life. Fourth is, there was a diary on the desk. Fifth is, the child is not sleeping. Sixth is, Syam is my best friend. Seventh is, I have not completed my work. These all sentences, they are telling us something. They state something. Yes, na? They states or says something. These all sentences. First, he is fond of tea. ही इज़ फॉन्ड ऑफ टी, यानी कि ही है जो सब्जेक्ट है वो किस चीज़ का फॉन्ड ऑफ है, टी. द गर्ल ड्रैंक अ ग्लास ऑफ जूस. बट द गर्ल ड्रैंक अ ग्लास ऑफ जूस. वी ऑल विश टू बी लिव अ हैप्पी लाइफ. वट वी ऑल विश टू बी, टू लिव अ हैप्पी लाइफ. देयर वॉज अ डायरी ऑन द डेस्क. वट वॉज, where was the diary? The diary was on the desk. The child is not sleeping. Yes, na? Syam is my best friend. These all are telling us something. They state something. Means they all are assertive sentence. Which type of sentence? Assertive. We can call these also declarative sentence also. They declare something, they tell us something, they state us something. So assertive sentence are also called declarative sentences. They starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. They never ask any question, and there is not any kind of command in these sentences. It is clearly understood from the definition. What is definition? Assertive sentences. An assertive sentence states or says something. Assertive sentence की what is the definition of assertive sentence? An assertive sentence states. States means बताता है, और says कहता है something. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. किससे start होता है assertive sentence? Capital letter. Yes ना? और ends with a full stop. For example, the boy is sleeping. It is telling us about the boy. What the boy is doing? Boy is sleeping. This is not my book. This is not my book. An assertive sentence or a declarative sentence can be positive or negative. Yes, I hope you have clearly understood this. Thank you.